Here we go. Hello, guys.
Hello guys, today we're making a Minecraft website. So this is how you begin to make it.
By the way, what's your name?
My name is Evan Spicer.
Yeah, and my name is Taurus, and today we're learning how to use Editor X with a 5-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay? And Evan is going to try to build, what kind of website are you building?
Minecraft.
Minecraft website. Okay.
So
You have a page with one section. Okay? You want to add an image in here? Okay, dragging that makes the section taller, and dragging the side handles makes the page wider.
Okay.
And right now we're designing for the desktop. Okay, so can you show us how you inserted an image, Evan?
Yes.
Okay, you're changing image. So we uploaded a few Minecraft images into our file browser.
Yeah.
Evan, you have to explain your steps.
So I'm gonna put this one somewhere like this. So I'm sorry if. Oh wait. Think if you mind. Okay. So this will go right here. Now.
And what does that little arrow button do? This little corner arrow.
This?
Yeah. What is clicking that?
It makes it much bigger.
Yeah, that clicking that little corner arrow button, that stretches the image to fit the entire section.
Yeah, guys.
Right?
So,
okay.
I kind of can do it like this, but you can't go down. It's too much craziness.
Yeah.
So, I think you guys should think I should make it a little bit much more.
Okay, and can you show us how to resize the window for like tablet and phone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right here at the top.
So that's tablet, yeah. That's phone. And can we go back to, okay, so that's really big. So can you grab this little corner handle or this little side handle and shrink it down a little bit? Grab it. Yeah. Oh, stop right there. Perfect. Okay, so your image will resize. Okay, so do you wanna add more images? Do you wanna add in a title?
I'm gonna add some more images.
More images? Okay.
Where are my pictures?
So we click the plus to add an element, and then from quick add, what do we select there? Image? Okay, and
but where's that?
Where is our new image? Let's see. Can you drag it in? Evan, can you drag it in? Drag and drop. Okay, you can do that right there. Okay, so that worked.
And now change image.
You click change image.
Then, but where the other picture that I found?
Yeah, how about we explain how to add new images to our file browser? Okay, so here.
So I have this Lego creeper that I don't really use, and this.
Would you like to delete it?
My logo.
Your logo, right? Spicer Explorers.
This and this. This says my Evan's website. So I kind of want to explain how you get all the pictures onto the.
Do you want to show how to add a new picture to your file browser?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's select our frame and add or click change image. I know, we'll change it. So let's click change image. There we go. And then you want to add a new photo in here. You click the upload media button. And by the way, Evan is navigating all of this. I'm not touching anything.
Yeah.
So
upload
that's all him. Upload from computer. Okay, so this is our downloads folder where we grab a few new Minecraft images.
And then it's going to download into here.
Editor X will upload the image to the file browser and boom, just like that.
Now I need to make this a little bit smaller so this can fit. And there's a zombie right there and that's a creeper.
Okay, so do you want to have two images side by side?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. So select this big image in the back, and we're gonna break that up. We're going to
How? Why don't you do?
So scroll up a little bit. Can you scroll up a little bit? Okay, now click that little corner arrow to make the image smaller. Yeah, like that. And now let's click.
I'll put it like.
Sure, you can organize them like that, or yeah, you can stretch the image by dragging the corner handle to change the size like that. There you go. Okay. Do you want to arrange them to how you want, how you like it?
Like this, and then I go to here.
You want to add a title?
No.
To name your website, or are you adding more images?
Adding more images.
Okay.
So I click on that.
Change image.
Yeah.
And then what? You're gonna add a new, or you're gonna upload another image. Okay. Upload an image. Which one? Minecraft Star Wars.
Minecraft Star Wars.
All right, let's do that.
So it's gonna end up in here, guys.
Boom.
Okay, now I grab.
You'll use that image. All right. How about you arrange that?
Like there.
Okay.
And then I find the other picture.
How about you add a title?
No. I'll add
We already know how to add images. How about, okay, there we go. So explain how you added a title.
Okay.
So everybody knows.
I click right here on the plus, then you
quick add, and titles. Now you have two titles. Okay. So how about we type in a title and then you can style it. Yeah. So you can delete that. How do you delete it?
No.
You select it and you hit delete.
Okay. We can write Evan's creation.
There we go. So how do you edit the text?
Okay,
in the text block?
This is how you write Evan.
Okay. Hold on. First we have to edit the text. So you have to double click the text to edit. Like that. Okay.
Now this is how you write.
You gonna do it yourself or you need help?
No, I got it.
E-V-A-N space and
apostrophe.
Oh, Evans. Okay, Evans what?
Evan's creation.
Okay, let me help you with that. Creation. Okay. Would you like to make it the text bigger?
Yeah, that'd be.
So we selected the text.
I need a.
We click the little font size drop down. I think it needs to go bigger. Go big or go home. There we go. And now, do you remember how to change the color of the text?
So I go, where I go? Oh, right here, then I change the.
What's your favorite color?
Dark blue.
So we have site colors, which we loaded in to our theme.
Dark blue.
And
dark blue.
Dark blue. Okay, perfect. So close the color picker. Yeah, and now click outside of the text box. Okay, so that's
Evan's
great.
creation.
All right, how about I help you organize this? Now, click the little plus icon at the top to add, and click blank. The first button. That'll add a blank section at the top. Now grab your text, drag it into that new section right in the middle. Okay, so that's your website title. Okay, so
no,
now
I kind of want to. I don't want a space right here. I want to put this in the middle.
Okay, I'll help you organize these images so they're nice and big. Okay, so click on this second section right here. Okay, click on the apply grid button. Oh, hold on.
Right here in the middle.
Oh, okay. Okay, do you want your pictures at the top? In the top section?
No, right here so I can. So I don't want this space up here.
Can I help you arrange your photos? Your images? Can I help you?
Yeah. Well, that was the plan, to put the pictures right here.
How about I show you? Let's undo that.
No, I want to like this.
Okay, you do it your way, and then I'll show you a different way. Okay, one more. Is this easy? Is this tool easy to use?
Yeah, it's much easier than computer, guys.
Yeah. Okay, how about I show you how to get your photos nicely organized? Okay? You want to try it?
I need help getting this.
Okay, you need help?
Yeah.
Here, I'll show you. I'll show you a very cool trick. So let me drag these down here. Okay. So we'll make what happened? I think we have to. Why can't we select this image? There you go. No. What's going on? So let's open our layers. Why is it not letting us select that image? This image. Hold on, let me change. Because it's sitting in this bottom section. Okay, so here's what we can do. Okay, how about you navigate? Did you just pick your nose?
No, I did.
Don't pick your nose in the tutorial video. Okay, Evan, click on the top. Click on this top section. I'm telling you, this is going to be awesome. Just follow instructions. Okay, now click Apply Grid button right here. Yes. Yep. Click this Apply Grid button. Yes. Yep. Boom. Okay, so now we want 3 columns. So click the second button. Okay, hit the blue Apply button right there. Okay, so now we have 3 sections for our photos. Okay, for our images. Yeah. Now you have to make the image smaller. Okay. Smaller, smaller?
No, it's okay.
Hang on. Hang on a second. Go back here. I'll get you set up here. Okay, so this photo will fill this grid area. This photo will fill this grid area.
But that will be so small.
No, it's going to get bigger. I'm telling you, it's going to be amazing. Okay, so now, now you go. So now, for this image, click this little expand arrow. Okay, see how that fills that grid area? Yep, expand, and then expand this one too. See? So doesn't that look amazing? So it's nicely organized.
Pictures that are top, and then this I can put somewhere right there. Yeah. And then we still have some extra space there and there and there and there.
There you go, and you can add more stuff there and there and there. Okay.
Yeah, and guys, if you think that's your favorite picture, the Star Wars one, then just hit the Star Wars button on the Star Wars Minecraft. Just push it with your finger and then subscribe.
Okay. Hey, do you want your website title down below or on the top?
I want to make it full screen.
You want to make it like really big? You want to make it stretch with the screen?
Yeah, I want it to be like over here.
Okay, so let's make it really big. Okay, so double click the text. Double click the text to edit. Okay, wait. Select all. Okay, yeah, click the font size. Let's make it. Yeah, that's probably fine.
But I want it to be on the whole screen right here.
Oh, okay, you want it really big. Okay, so yeah, then let's see, how are we going to do that? So this is the text block. We'll center it, and we'll center align this text. And
on the whole screen.
Oh yeah, we gotta go like 90% of the screen, right? That wide.
And yeah, and then for it to be right here too.
We'll go from 10 to 500. Well, that's way too big. 200. No, that's still too big. 100?
Wait, I don't know, wait. Go back.
100?
I don't know, wait. How do you go back?
Hold on. 30.
5.
40 to, let's do 150. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Make it like on the whole screen.
And then let's dock it to the left and dock it to the right, because what that will do, oh, we gotta close this thing. Okay, so now How about we preview our page?
Yeah.
How about you click preview page?
Okay, so this is what you just do. If you like this picture, just click on it.
Yeah. Can you click preview so we can see what our page looks like?
Yeah.
And then I think we'll finish this up. Preview is up here in the top right. Yeah.
Bam.
Okay, scroll up. The bottom section is too big. Okay, so now try shrinking your window like this.
No. Wait, why is it so big?
Can you try grabbing the side handles and shrinking your window to see how your text resizes and your picture is resized? Okay, shrink it. Ooh. Okay. What do you think?
Now I like to do it.
Okay, you think we're done with this tutorial?
Yep.
Maybe we'll do another one later? Yep. Okay, guys.
Bye. See you later.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned. Did you learn how to use Editor X?
Yeah. And if you like our video, just push the subscribe button at the end of the screen. And I hope you love this video today. And if you want to make your own, then just go on our website.
Yep.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
If you like the video, just push the red button and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye.